Hi everybody, George Fokas from Fokas Beyond. 2.39% for 7 days is what my 16-year-old son and I have generated in our trading account, all thanks to 24 years of being educated and applying a strategy that most people don't even know about. So what I want to do right now is I want to share with you the actual trading screen, the actual trading account, so you can see the results that my son and I have generated. Last night we're sitting on the couch and my son said, "Is there a trade?" And I said, "Yes, there is, let's do it." So realistically, within 10 minutes, we've clicked some buttons sitting on the couch and we've made our money work for us. But I want to share that with you because a lot of people say, "George, what makes you different to everybody else out there that is teaching how to make money?" Now, whether it's property, whether it's the stock market, that's irrelevant. The biggest thing that differentiates me to everybody else, folks, and this is what you need to understand, is this. Everybody else teaches you, whether you're working for your money, whether you're going to property, most people are waiting to see a return at the end of their transaction. You work for your time, so it means you've got to go to your job, you've got to put physical time and effort in before you see a return on your time. People are going out there investing in property, putting time and effort in, manufacturing growth, doing all that sort of stuff, on the hope that when they sell that property, they're going to get a return on investment for capital gain. But I'm not here to invest for capital gain. I'm here to invest for cash flow. And that's what I've been teaching my students all around the world for over 24 years. But I want to share this with you. 2.39% is what my son and I have made. He's 16 years old and I'm teaching him to learn how to make money work for him instead of him working for money. So now, and let me share this with you. Now, this is my son's trading account and my trading account that we're both, using, and I've given him permission. So what I want to share with you is this. Look at the time first and foremost, and this went in overnight. So 12:30 Sydney time, midnight 12:30 Sydney time, within 6 minutes and 52 seconds of the market opening, our order has gone in. So what I want to share with you now is here, BOT is bought. We bought a stock for $28.43. Now you can see that price there, $28.43. Now don't worry about my computer screen. Yes, it needs a good clean, but that's okay. It's not about that. It's about making money and money working for us. $28.43 is what we paid and bought the stock for. We did a contract which expires on the 5th of April, and the contract is for $28.50, 28.5. And we sold that stock. We sold the contract. So let me ask you this. Think about this. When you sell something, you get paid for it. So you receive that income. So we sold this contract and we received 68 cents. So remember these two figures, 28.43 and 68 cents. Now, as you can see, the 5th of April is when this contract expires. And so what I want to do right now, I want to share the screen. Just so you can see me and understand this. $28.43 is what we bought the stock for. 68 cents is what we received. Now today is Easter Friday. Tonight when the US market trades, and because I'm sharing with you the US stock market, that is the reason why that trade went in overnight while we are asleep. So imagine having your money working for you while you are asleep. That's the best thing about it. So not only did we allocate less than 10 minutes into the market, our money is working for us and we've received a return on investment from day one. And a lot of people say that is unheard of, correct? Because they don't want you to know about this strategy. They want you working for your money, not having your money work for you. So think about these figures. 68 cents is what we received on a $28.43 investment. Now, within 6 minutes and 52 seconds, our order has gone into the market while we are asleep. We've made money, woken up this morning, and the money's sitting in our bank account or in our trading account. So today is Easter Friday. So happy Easter to any people who are celebrating. Now, you might be seeing this today. You might see it in a week's time. You might see it in a month's time and say, Easter was a month ago. But whether you do this today, next month in April, or in May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, even in 2025, it doesn't matter, because the process that I did today, that whenever you see it, is a process that we've been applying for over 24 years. My students all around the world are implementing this process for over 24 years that I've been doing it, over 18 years that I've been teaching it, and they're making money exactly like my son and I have. So 68 cents on a $28.43 investment is a 2.39% return for 7 days. Today's Friday, Easter Friday. And this contract goes until the 5th of April, which is next Friday. So Friday to Friday, 7 days. But listen to this. Today, Friday on the US market, tonight when the markets trade, it's a public holiday. The stock market is closed. Tomorrow is Saturday, then we've got Sunday. So realistically, 3 days of the stock market not trading, I've still made money even when the market is closed. That is the best thing about this strategy. I love public holidays and I love weekends because we get paid even when the markets aren't trading. So Even though this is a 7-day contract from Friday to Friday, minus the 3 days, it's actually a 4-day contract that this order's gone in. Whether it's 7 days, don't worry about whether they're public holidays, even for 7 days. 2.39%. How many of you would like to start seeing a 2.39% return for 7 days paid into your account? Now consider what the banks are paying right now in a term deposit over a year. And they're paying just on 5% right now. But we've done 2.39 for a week, and we are in control of our money. So what you need to understand is this, folks. Do you want to have your money work for you, or do you want to work for your money for the rest of your life? Because I meet so many people who say, George, I'm sick and tired of being sick and tired. And if you don't step up now and start learning and discovering how to make your money work for you, you'll work for your money for the rest of your life, and you will be a slave to the system. Recently, I had a guy say, George, I'm finally retiring. I'm 68 years old. I've won the rat race. And I said, you know what, Mick? You haven't won the rat race. You're still a rat because you worked all your life for your money. And that's the biggest thing you need to understand, folks. We need to start learning how to make money work for us. And not only that, what legacy are you going to leave behind for your children, your partner, your family, that are going to look back and say, he stepped up, she stepped up, they took action, and it's because of their action, this is where we are right now. Making money working for you. Passive income exceeding active income is paramount, especially with what's going on around the world. There is so much fear right now with regards to investing and what's happening in the world, and this is where we need to step up and start making our money work for us. This is a live trading account that I've just shared with you. This is a trading account that my son and I are investing in. Money working for us, and you've seen the results. What else can I share with you? In fact, this is what I'm going to do. Here is one of my students right now. I'm actually analyzing one of my students' trading statements. There it is right there. And I've gone through some calculations to check this. Now have a look at this. I just want to share this with you. In April 2023, my student bought it for $41.44. This stock, bought this stock in April for $41. In February, sold it for $29. Bought it for $41 and sold it for $29. Now have a look. My student thought she made 17%, but she actually made 19% in 10 months on a stock that she bought and went down. Think about investing in the markets, and you buy a stock and it goes down, which we can't control. But while it's down and it stays down, you're earning income every month. You're earning income. And in the end, in 10 months, you're able to sell that stock at 29 that you bought at 41.44, and you've made a 19% return on investment on a stock that you bought for 41 that's currently 29, and you sell it and you've made a 19%. So not only did she recover the difference of the value of the stock that dropped, but a 19% profit on top of that in 10 months. How? How is that possible, George? It's all about knowledge and education. When you have knowledge and you have the right education, what I call my 4 learning points. Having the right knowledge and the education will allow you to pick the right asset class to invest in. It will also teach you how to protect your money. Money management, risk management skill sets is paramount. So education, picking the right asset class, protecting your money will give you the income that you're looking for, and having passive income exceed active income. How many people all around the world right now have equity, are asset rich but cash flow poor? How do we change that? How do we make you cash flow rich and asset rich? And that's important, and that's what I teach. Cash flow, folks. I cannot predict what the stock market's going to do. I have no idea what the stock market's going to do. But imagine if your money is working for you when the markets are going up or when the markets are going down, and your money's working for you and you're generating cash flow. That's what it's all about. Focus Beyond is all about teaching you how to make your money work for you. If you are interested to learn more, click on the link, register for my masterclass, allocate some time. My masterclass goes for 3 to 4 hours, so you need to be prepared. You need to sit and listen to me for 3 to 4 hours, not an hour, not 2 hours, 3 to 4 hours if you want to learn how to make your money work for you. If you can't allocate 4 hours, you definitely do not want to be rich. You definitely do not want to be wealthy. You definitely do not want financial freedom. Okay? Learn, discover the ways to make your money work for you. Click on my link, register for my masterclass, have a listen to how I explain the strategy, and you will see it for yourself. It will make more sense. A lot of people have opinions. Don't be opinionated. I want you to be informed. I'm George Fokas from Fokas Beyond. Thanks for watching. Take care, and we'll talk soon. And hopefully I get to see you in our community and on the inside. Bye, everybody.